The next divine name is Al-Aziz, which means the Almighty. Allah, the Exalted, is the one who overpowers all things, who in reality is the only one who possesses power and might. Anyone else who possesses strength only does so because Allah, the Exalted, granted it to them. There is no atom in this world or in the next that can escape the power and authority of Allah, the Exalted. As all power belongs to Allah, the Exalted, a Muslim should therefore always remember that the strength to perform righteous deeds and refrain from sins comes from Allah, the Exalted, alone. This will remove any chance of pride creeping into their heart, an atom's worth of which is enough to take a person to hell. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 266. Whoever desires for their faith to become mighty must obey the Almighty, Allah, the Exalted. Only then will they be granted strong faith which will aid them to overcome all difficulties so that they leave this world while Allah, the Exalted, is pleased with them. True obedience only lies in following the footsteps of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This includes fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from his prohibitions and facing destiny with patience. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 31.
Say, if you should love Allah, then follow me, so Allah will love you and forgive you your sins.
Truly knowing Allah, the Exalted, is Almighty should prevent a Muslim from sinning, as they should know there is no way to escape the might of Allah, the Exalted. In addition, when a Muslim engraves this divine name into their heart, it prevents them from committing oppression and wronging others. They become fully aware that even if there is no person powerful enough to seek justice from them, Allah, the Exalted, will certainly take them to account and punish them in both worlds. As confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579, oppression to others may cause the Almighty, Allah, the Exalted, to hurl them into hell on Judgment Day. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.